Yeah, and I know you've had some experiences specifically with the EnviroGear E-Series technology where you've put some pumps into applications that you did think were correct for that technology, and you've had some pretty good successes with those. Can you speak to that?
Sure. We've had very good luck with the E-Series. We had one customer that had a pump, competitor's pump, that was failing on average every 4 months. The most life they ever got out of a pump was 6 months. And we looked over the application. It was a tough application. The product would polymerize very easily, so we needed a good flow path through the bearings to keep the bearings running cool and keep the product from setting up or polymerizing inside the bearings. And we worked with your guys and designed a pump. And the pump, the first time we started it up, we actually had a factory representative there. The customer wanted a factory representative there as well as myself. And we actually started the pump, and the customer didn't think they'd actually start it because it was so quiet. He left the room to make sure the switchgear was on because the competitor's pump was so noisy initially. Yours was dead smooth quiet. And then they had us come back after 6 months, and they wanted to tear down the pump. So again, you guys, as well as Anderson, came in, and we tore down the pump, and everything looked like literally the day we put it in. And we put it back together, and I just talked to the customer the other day. It's been running a year and 8 months flawlessly, and we expect it to keep going with no problems. And it's a tough material, so that's been a real success story right there.